Hello friends, in today's class we'll be learning how to achieve this beautiful gown style. So we are working with a pattern paper. We'll be drafting it on a pattern paper, and this pattern paper is on a fold. We'll be taking or drafting our basic bodice block. You determine your neck width, your shoulder, and you will come down by 1 inch for your shoulder slope. I have a video on how to draft a basic bodice block, so do well to check on that video for better understanding. You'll be marking your neck depth. You connect your neck width to your neck depth. Measure half of your shoulder, whatever you have, use it for your armhole depth. That is half of the shoulder I'm marking there for my armhole depth. Measure from your shoulder to your waist. Measure from your shoulder to your waist, that is the mark there. Shoulder to waist measurement. Divide your chest or your bust into 4 and mark it. Your waist into 4 also and mark it there. Connect the two lines. Measure the length of measure from your waist to your hip line, and will also mark quarter of your hip measurement. Connect it this way and down to the hem line. So we want to determine the extension, the overlap. Measure what you have at the waist, divide it by 2 and bring it out for the extension. So half of the waist measurement, that is what we use for the extension. And also you measure your neck width and also extend it upward. That is for the back, your neck width. Determine the width of your collar. I have a detailed video on how to go about this type of collar. Check it on my channel, you will see it for a better understanding. So this is the width of the collar. From that place now, you will be curving it to the waist line this way. And from here now, you are marking 1 inch. From that 1 inch, you are connecting it to the waist line this way. Make sure you have a curve this way. The same thing, the same extension you'll be marking throughout to the hem line. So if you want to flay it a bit at the hem line, you can come out by 1 inch, 2 inches, or even 3. And you flay it from the waist down. Shape out your armhole. I have a video on how to draft the basic bodice block, so do well to watch it for better understanding as well. So what we have as our neck width is what we extended upward before marking our collar width. So let's cut out this pattern. So friends, if you have gotten any value from this video, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel. I will really appreciate it. Cut out the pattern following the marking. I have other interesting videos on my channel. Just check them out. This is actually a simple design. So this is it after cutting it out. Remember, what we extended is actually half of our waist measurements. That is the extension there. That is the extension. So let's assume you have 6 inches divided by 2, 3, so the extension will be 3 inches. So that is the overlap. You overlap it to that point, to that midpoint of your waist measurement. So this is actually how to achieve that beautiful design. If you don't want the extension that deep or the overlap that deep, you can work with quarter of your waist measurement. That quarter of your waist measurement will be serving as your extension line. So just determine what you want to achieve. If you want it deep, just work with your half waist measurement for the overlap. So you can choose to have a cut at the waistline. You can choose to have a cut and work with a different fabric for the upside and different fabric for the downside. So it's up to you. Just do what you like, be creative and all that. Or you can work with the same material like the one on the picture. So friends, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful video like this. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you. Bye.